In a world buzzing with chaos, Emma found solace in nature. After struggling with anxiety, she ventured outdoors daily, embracing the beauty of her surroundings. Flora and fauna became her therapy, providing peace and grounding. Experts highlight that nature exposure can significantly reduce stress hormones and elevate mood, just like Emma experienced. Stories like hers remind us that nature's healing power isn't just poetic, it's scientifically backed. So next time you feel overwhelmed, step outside and reconnect with the natural world, as it might just foster the resilience you need.